vibe. Man and Van, where do you from? Stanley, thank you. You know what? There's also Stanley in this house. Gagi, mag 1 hour na ako. Dito. 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 40 minutes. Tisha, I'm cooking. Oh really? What you cooking? Are you cooking roti and tea? You know what? I love the Indian tea. It's really good and smells good. I know how to do that. Hello, 20 people here inside the box. In the other planet, Mars. Hello here in Jupiter. Yeah, roti and vegetable. See? My goodness, it's yummy. There's Indian restaurant also here. Indian always putting curry in their dishes, right? Thank you. Dudong Melvin, how are you na, Dudong? Thank you so much, Dudong. Nakasahod ka na? Grabe na magkatagal yan. Naunahan ka pa sa friend ko. Friend ko. Nasahod na yun. I-PM mo ko, Dudong. Isali kita sa GC namin. Sa kita ba, Dudong? Para makasahod ka na. Yung friend ko, kakamonetize lang niya nakaraan. Di ba yung nabanggit ko sa'yo? Tapos, bago lang siya na-monetize. Ngayong 21, sasahod na siya. Di ba? Sahuran kasi sa YouTube tuwing 21. I mean, 21 sila mag-i-email na pinadala na yung sahod mo, ganon. Tapos, ayun, sasahod ka na. Thank you, Stanley. Yeah, saya suka. Suka? Did you know suka, the vinegar? Dudong Melvin, you can connect with Jainal. He is also my friend from Indonesia. Malaysia. Malaysia, Indonesia. It's the same sound. I don't know. Whatever. Indonesia, Malaysia. Is that dinner, Prasad, or lunch? Night lunch. Night lunch. Wait.